Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Teams software in Windows 11 operating system. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon here and you will find here Gear Setting icon. Click on Setting. Settings will appear. On the left side you will find an option Apps. Click on Apps option. On the right side you will find Install Apps. These are applications that are installed in your PC or laptop. You can find here your desired application and you can also search from search box. Click on three dots beside the software and find option Uninstall. Click on Uninstall and again click on Uninstall. Your application will be removed from your Windows 11 operating system. These easy steps that you can follow to uninstall Microsoft Teams software in Windows 11. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.